guys, welcome back to my channel, Days with Darlene. Today I have a surprise video for you. Normally I post every Saturday, but today I am posting in the middle of the week because I'm doing a collab with Modern Gents and I'm so excited. So Modern Gents is a really awesome company that makes affordable jewelry, specifically engagement rings and wedding rings for men and women. They do have other jewelry like necklaces and earrings as well, but their whole goal is to just make it affordable so you don't have to break the bank when you're, in that special moment or if you just want a nice piece of jewelry. Modern Gents is also a really great option if you are looking for something that is friendlier to the environment, because I know that diamond mining is actually very harmful. Don't get me wrong, I do have a diamond engagement ring that, my husband gave me and I love it. But if you are looking for something that isn't gonna hurt the environment, or maybe you're just looking for something alternative, this is a great option. Everything they have is super affordable and really great quality. They have a lifetime warranty, which is a bargain, honestly. And their jewelry pieces are meant to last forever anyway. They don't turn your finger green. It's guaranteed not to turn your finger green. They use like stimulated diamonds and sterling silver, like highest quality, to make sure that they last a long time and that they have all the sparkle of that, like a real engagement ring. So every year my husband buys me a piece of jewelry for my anniversary. The first 2 years he bought me some rings, and then last year he bought me, but I picked it out, this necklace from Modern Gents. This is the lily in rose gold. It's absolutely beautiful. Like the sparkle on this thing, I literally love it so much. I just started obsessing over all the rings and jewelry on their website, and I was like, I had already picked out the one I wanted for my 4-year anniversary, and then Modern Gents sent me one. So let's go ahead and open this. Really cool too, like their shipping was like 2 days. It was like so fast. Look at this cute little box, so cute. And then you have, dun dun dun. All right, so you have a little cleaning thing on here that has their little logo, Modern Gents Trading Company. It's super cute. And then you have the 2 rings. So I got a set, which is like the band and the engagement ring. So let's go ahead and open these up. I'm a size 5.5, just for reference in case your fingers look like this. But this is a very first one. This is the Forever in silver. It's really, really cute. It has like the cutest little design on it, and it's so sparkly. Look at that. It's like dainty, but like so adorable. So it just fits really nicely. And then it pairs perfectly with this, which is the one I had my eye on for so long. This is the Grace. It's one of both of these are like their vintagey kind of rings, but look at that. Look at, like, do you see the sparkle on here? It is so cute. What I loved about this one is it has a twisty band, or like the infinity band, which is one of my favorites. Like my actual engagement ring has that as well. And then it has a 1.5 carat stone on here. So it's really cute, and it pairs really well with the Forever band. So again, this is the Grace ring, and then this is the Forever band, and they look really, really cute together. But do you see the sparkle? Like, this is a great alternative if you're not looking to break the bank, but it's also a great alternative for like what I'm gonna be using it for, which is one, to just kind of switch it up. I've been wearing the same ring for like 4 years now, and sometimes I want to wear something new. So it's kind of fun to have another piece that looks just as beautiful to wear. And then another great reason to get it is if you go on vacation a lot, if you travel a lot. Sometimes you don't want to take your really expensive rings out on vacation. What if you lose it, get stolen, something happens to it? So it's really nice to still be able to wear something really beautiful when you go on vacation, but not have to worry about like losing something that costs so much money. So again, I just want to show you guys how adorable these are. Like, I might retire my actual ring for a couple of weeks, months, because these are so pretty. I love them. So they look really, really cute. But I just wanted to say thanks again to Modern Gents. Definitely check it out.